Okay, this is announcement. The decision for the final YouTuber squad for this September edition, the final edition, and it will be back in November. Sorry. Maybe Pius, you gonna wait for a long time also. And okay, this is now the members: Stampy Longhead, Ashdob, I think Noodles, Ethan Gamer TV, Dan TDM, PewDiePie, Popular MMOs, Dennis Minecraft, and Dennis Roblox and more. And for that, my classmates, Pius Aircraft, the Virus Gaming, Fire Lion of Content, and especially the O team members are the German Gamer TV me. So that is our final German YouTubers.